Okay, welcome back. We are going to be dimensioning and annotating this 3D model, solid model that we constructed or drew in the last video. For us to start our dimensioning, we have to align this UCS icon on the view we are going to dimension. Otherwise, the dimensioning will not work. For example, look at this. Okay, from my home tab, I come to annotate. I come to dimension, and I picked on linear. Okay, so I initially aligned my UCS to this view before. Formally, that is why this dimensioning is coming out very well like this. Otherwise, what you have to do first is we have these three tools here. This is origin, this is z-axis vector, and then this is 3 points. We are going to use the 3 point just like you can see in the preview. We are going to use the 3 point to align our UCS to the axis we want to dimension. So click on it. When you click on it, the UCS gets attached to your crosshair. So since we are going to dimension this way and this way, we are aligned our UCS here and stretch this way and then stretch this way. So we'll go back to our annotate tab and pick our linear dimension, and then we'll dimension here. Okay, and we right click and say repeat linear. We dimension. Okay, dimension here, and then right click and say repeat linear, then we dimension here. Okay, you can bring this out, just click on it and use the grip to drag it out, and that is it. Now if you want to change the color of this dimension or make the dimension text bigger, you can work on that by coming still in your annotate tab. You click on this small drop down here and the dimension slide manager dialog box will come out. You go to override, you come to fit. You can see the scale here. The dimension scale is 1.5. If you want to make it bigger, you can increase to 1.8 or 2.0. If you want to make the dimension text smaller, you can decrease to 1.3 or 1.0. So now let's make the dimension text bigger by increasing this to 2. So you type on 2. Now you can change the color of this dimension text by coming to text, and you can change it to any color of your choice. Let's say we are changing to green. All right, and then you say okay, and then under this area, the new dimension you overrided is what is showing here as tile override. The new dimension we are creating now is what is showing here as tile override. You know, we overrided the previous dimension that was there, so we have to rename this new dimension that we are creating now. So let me rename this as new dim, and then we say just click outside and say close. Then now for us to make use of that new dim, we have to come to this drop down here and make our new dim active, and then after that we come to this tool here, which is update. So we can update all of these formerly existing dimensions. I click on it and I begin to click on each, click on this, click on that, and then I hit enter on my keyboard. You see, dimension got updated. It changes to the green color and got bigger. So we continue with our dimensioning. All right, we'll come back to view. Let's now proceed to dimension the top view. So we click on our 3-point UCS and then we place our cursor here, align this way, and then we align this way. Sorry, no, okay, no, we can't get our dimension like that. We come to our 3 points. We can actually okay, we can align this way and then align this way. All right, so we go back to our annotate, we pick on linear, and then we dimension here. This is 22. Okay, and then okay, let's see what next we can get. Okay, we can dimension this overall. You know, we are in this plane and this plane, so this can be dimensioned. Okay, sorry, it's not giving us that. So we go and get our 3-point UCS and then align to this plane and align to this plane. With that, we can repeat linear and get this out. Okay, good. And then let's see what else we can get. Okay, remember we are in this plane and this plane. Okay, I think that's all. Okay, very quickly, let's come and dimension this height and this length. So we go back to our 3-point UCS. Okay, just repeat that. If you right click, you see on your context menu, you see repeat UCS. So you get it out and then you go this way and you come this way and right click and say dim linear. So we can comfortably get here. Okay, and then get here. Good. So we have 40 by 28. We can also comfortably get here. Let's see if that's possible. Okay, no, that's not possible. So very quickly, we repeat our UCS and we align this to this plane. So repeat dim linear and that's it. Okay, sorry, let's repeat our UCS again. All right, I'm sorry, let's repeat our 3-point UCS. Okay, we come this way first and then before we go to this way, so we repeat our dim linear. Good. So you see, you have to come this way to X first, then before you go to Y, so that the text will not turn upside down. If you notice, when we went to Y first before coming to X, the text was now reversed. So please take note of that. And then of course we have, sorry, let's repeat our 3-point UCS. We place our icon here and we place here so that we can get that dimension. Okay, we'll repeat dim linear. Okay, good, that's 48. And then okay, what else do we need to dimension? Okay, this is 16 already, we dimension that. Okay, so let's come back to annotate. Let's see if we could dimension this radius right here. Okay, then very quickly let's dimension this distance here. So we repeat our UCS, and then we align to this face. Okay, so we repeat them linear. All right, we need to dimension here to here. Okay, let's repeat our UCS again. With our UCS, let's come this way first before we go this way, because we do not need that text to be upside down. So okay, so this is what we'll have. 12 here to here. Okay, here to here is already 16, and then of course we need here to here, and here to here, and then here to here. So let's take on here to, okay, let's see if we can get here. Okay, can't get it, so let's align our UCS to that plane. Okay, let's see, so we go this way, and then we also come this way. So let's pick dim linear. Okay, 16. Okay, 16 also, and then of course you have this distance, which is 20. Good. So good. So the machine part has been, okay. We need this height here. Of course, this height is the same as this height here. So this solid machine model has been completely dimensioned. Thank you very much for watching.